Don't go drinking the water.
Sycophant, sipping up sentiments till it's spick and span. Get the fam, get your supplies, cause shit has hit the fan. Welcome to your new vision, bitch, 2020. Perfect time to see that we are out many pennies. Sea levels rising, too much salt to try and drink. You may think that science was the link, but no iris sink. Until the day we woke up sinking in slaughter.
Don't go drinking the water.
Okay, I'm swimming by citizens in their tenements. Now the flooding is on and nobody's innocent. Hydration in 5 nations diminishing. The vibe shaking, my mind's breaking, it's menacing. These days we finishing, really should have been listening, but it's so hard to give it in when you got gold that's glistening. I'm here to tell you, your sons and your daughters,
don't go drinking the water.
We lived how we wanted to live now. Instead of get down, we yell get down. I'm fighting for my family and my kids, wow. Never thought that we'd be here looking for a drip down. The natives are thirsty, nature is worthy. She give you no mercy. You gave her the heat, but ain't expect to get hotter now.
Don't go drinking the water.
Sycophants acting political like they give a damn. Skip the dance, I never read into all your chicken scratch. Split the land, trying to work me into a sicker stance. Split the man, you talking turkey, amino tryptophan. Yeah, we followed red-belly devils. They horns all sleek and they words up on the bezel. Promising the world, just trying to keep us all in order.
Don't go drinking the water.
It's like 28 days later, but way greater. Plus that movie was way safer than Day Neighbors. Abuelitas on the hill with a shotgun, guarding any little bit they have until the stock comes. You don't want it with the thirsters, believe us. There ain't been talking Jesus since we lost 2 liters. Now we watch the sunlight just getting softer.
Don't go drinking the water.
We lived how we wanted to live now. Instead of get down, we yell get down. I'm fighting for my family and my kids, wow. Never thought that we'd be here looking for a drip down. The natives are thirsty, nature is worthy. She give you no mercy. You gave her the heat, but ain't expect to get hotter now.
Don't go drinking the water.
Miami, no drinking the water. Colorado, no drinking the water. KC, no drinking the water. We all downstream from a terrible offer. UK, no drinking the water. Cape Town, no drinking the water. To my crew, we never drinking the water now.
Don't go drinking the water.
Eating Twizzlers, fixing quads, and ripping packs. Good stuff, guys. It's really sunny that way, isn't it?